In this video, I will teach you the new method on how to link your TikTok pixel to your Sellar store. So if you want to sell your digital products on Sellar, be it your online course, your ebook, through TikTok ads, to use the sales objective on your TikTok ads, you'll be required to install your TikTok pixel on your Sellar store to enable you run TikTok sales ad directly to sell that product on Sellar. I will show you the exact steps on how to achieve this. Without wasting time, let's dive in. Log in your TikTok for business account. Select the particular ads manager account, the particular ad account you want to use to run your ad. For example, in this case, I want to run that ad on this particular ad account, sent ad account. So I'll select it. The ads manager or the ad account will open like this. Over your mouse on this left hand side, you will see event manager here. Click on event manager. It's loading. Just wait a little. You will see this pop up. You will need to verify. So you can verify with email or phone number. I prefer email. So I will click on email right here. Then I'll input my email here. After inputting your email, click on this send code button. Send code. They will send a code to the email address you provided here. Go to your email inbox. Input the verification code here. After inputting the code, click on this confirm button down below. They will ask for another verification code. Click on this send code button again. Send code. Input the new code here and click on confirm. It will open up like this. Welcome to Event Manager, Data Connection, Event Customization, Performance Insights. Click on this Get Started button. Now, we want to link our data set, our pixel, to our Sellar store to sell our digital products. So I will select web here because it's a website. After selecting web, scroll down, you will see this next button. Click on next. Now input your product link here. I'll go to my Sellar store and copy my product link. Paste your product link here and click on next. You see the manual setup button here. Select manual setup. Then click on this next button down below. Next. Select TikTok Pixel plus Event API. When you click this one, TikTok Pixel plus Event API, click on next button down below. Next. Then name your pixel here. I can call it Sellar Pixel. After naming your pixel, check down below. You see this create button. Click on create. You can see your pixel has been created. This is the pixel code. Since it is Sellar store, you may not need to input this code because what Sellar needs is your pixel ID. So you can close this, right? Just close it. It will reload like this. Then you will see the pixel you just created here. You can see dataset created. The next thing is base code installed. Then browser events receive, server event receive, and you are done with your pixel installation. So let's go to the next thing. This is your pixel ID. So just copy this ID like this. Copy your pixel ID like this. Then go to your Sellar store. Open your creator dashboard. At this top right hand corner, you will see these three dots. Click on the three dots at the top right hand side. It will open up like this. Now come to this left hand corner, right? Scroll down at this left hand corner. Scroll down. You will see integrations. Click on the drop down button for integrations. Then scroll down. You will see TikTok Pixel plus Events API improved. Click on it. That's the one we want. When you click on it, it will take you over here. This is the previous TikTok Pixel ID I installed, but I don't want this anymore, so I'll delete it and I will paste the new one I just copied. This is the new one. After pasting this new one here, right, come to this place and check this box, enable event API. When you check this box, enable event API, come down here, you will need access token, right? Now go back to your TikTok ads manager, event manager dashboard. Click on this Sellar pixel, click on it, Sellar pixel, so that it will load the pixel details for you. When it loads up like this, click on these settings. When you click on settings, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and you will see generate access token. Click on generate access token under event API. Now this is your access token. Click on copy token. Copy. It has been copied. Now go back to your Sellar dashboard. You see this event API. Paste this access token here. Paste it. The moment it has been pasted, come down below. You will see update TikTok pixel. Click on this button. Update TikTok pixel. I hope you are following. If you are following, comment I am following down below. You can see success. TikTok pixel settings updated successfully. Now go back to the TikTok events manager. Close this previous one. Okay. Now you will see settings. Still under settings, we need to set up events. Now scroll down here, scroll down. You will see set up event on event builder. Click on go to event builder. Click on it. Here you will see your seller product link already here. Now click on launch event builder. Click on this button. The event builder will open up like this. Okay. Now I want to track sales. Okay. And for somebody to come on this my page, they will need to click on this buy now button. And when they click on buy now, they will need to click on checkout. Right now at the checkout, you follow all this process. After checkout, they will need to fill in their email, their name here. For example, let me just use a name. I just use my name for instance. Then for email, I can just use this one, right? Then scroll down, go ahead and click here to show bank transfer details. Click on it. Now they will show you the bank transfer details for the person to pay this money. After this person has finished paying, what the person need to do next is to click on I have sent the money. And this is the button we are going to track for purchase. We don't necessarily need to test it. So track this button for purchase because majority of them will use bank transfer option, right? So go to this left hand side. When you go to the left hand side here, you will see events here. Click on add event button, right? Now we want to track a button. So you will see button clicks. That's what we want to track. We are not tracking URL visits. So select button clicks. Okay. And the button we are tracking is this particular button. I have sent the money. So select this button. I have sent the money. Now you have selected it. Come back to this left hand side. Can you see this? Button with I have sent the money. That's the one that you selected, right? And that is what we are tracking. Now click on the next button. Next. Give it a name. Select event type. Click on it. We are using this for purchase. That those who click on that I have sent the money have purchased the product. So click on purchase. Now you have imputed purchase. Scroll down. We are not adding any phone number and we are not collecting emails for now. Select currency. Depending on the currency you are using, I will use NGN, Nigerian Naira. If I'm selling to Nigerians, if you're selling to other countries, you can as well use their currency. Okay, depending on your country that you are selling to. Then I can use specific SKU, right? Then scroll down, product name not applicable. Now can go ahead to click on this create event button down below. Click on create event. You can see purchase event has been created. Okay, after that, click on this finish button to complete your event setup. I'll click on finish right now. Exit event builder, exit now. So with this, you're done with your event setup. Click on the next button down below. Next. The next thing is to test your event. You will see this place, test event directly, option 2, use 𝗘𝗺𝗃 helper plugin. I want to test directly. So I'll click on go to test events. Click on this button. After setting up events, it's necessary you test it so that you'll be sure that your pixel is firing properly. So it will take you to your pixel, your 𝗘𝗺𝗃, and right under this test event, you are going to see this place. Enter your website URL, click open website. So we want to test the event. So impute it here, paste your product link, your seller link here. Okay, then click on open website. This is the product. Okay, follow the same process. Click on this buy now button. Then at the right hand side here, you will see this checkout. Click on this checkout button. Scroll down. We are testing this event. See impute a name here. If you want to buy the product, then you can just use any email address. We are trying to test this event. Now you have entered the name. So click here to show bank transfer details. It will show like this. Then click on, remember this is the button we track as purchase. So click on I have sent the money. Just leave it for a while. It's confirming payment. And we are going to be using that for purchase events. After a little while, you can close it and go back to your TikTok event manager tab. You can see that it has been recorded here. See test events. This is it. Look at purchase. This is initiate checkout, one add to cart. I have done a step-by-step video on how to run sales ad using your seller account on TikTok. If you want that video, just comment TikTok sales ad and I will send the link to that video to you.